In this quick Digital Factory tutorial, I'm going to show you how to back up or export your print modes as well as import them. Now, I think every single DTF user that uses Digital Factory should be backing up their print modes, both the custom ones you've created yourself as well as any of the standard ones. This is for two reasons. Number one, the manufacturer could push out updates to a print mode, and if you've been using it, it might change the color a little bit. But the other reason is that sometimes computers have glitches, and sometimes you have to reinstall Digital Factory, and if you do that, it does not save the print modes that you've been using. So I'm going to show you how to back up or export your print modes. I'm in Digital Factory 11. If you have 10, it works the same way, but we're going to click on Devices and Manage Print Modes. Make sure you're on the printer you're using. Normally you wouldn't have a bunch of printers, but I do a lot of work with different printers, so that's why I have a bunch on here. But you're going to select the print modes that you use on a regular basis or the custom ones you made. If you hold down Control and click on each print mode that you want to save, and then we're going to click this little icon up here that says Create Print Mode Package. Let's name it Backup Print Modes and click Save. Now remember to save these in a spot you can find it, not in the Digital Factory folder, as that will be removed if you ever uninstall and reinstall it. So let's click OK. Now let's say you did have to do a reinstall and you want to import those print modes, or a really awesome friend sent you a print mode. We're going to go to Import, which is right here. So we're still in the Print Mode Manager window. Click on Import Print Mode Package. Click on the three little dots here and find that backup or those downloaded print mode packages and click Open. Now normally you would see an X here that shows those print modes don't exist currently in it, but because I'm just reinstalling them into it, it's showing up there. But basically just want to put a little check mark next to each one that you want to install and click Import. And now you'll have all of those print modes ready to go in your print queues. If you want to see more tutorials on Digital Factory and everything to do with DTF, make sure you subscribe to the channel. And if you're not already a Digital Factory user, or maybe an older version of it like Digital Factory 10, we do have all versions of Digital Factory available for purchase on our website. If you're not sure which one's right for you, go ahead and send us an email, colorgamutconsulting@gmail.com. All the links are in the description below. Thanks so much for watching. We'll see you next time.